So Dolores Cannon talks about the 3D to the 5D. Essentially, what that is two different levels of consciousness. A 3D consciousness, and I'm just reading some notes I've made here, would be someone that, you know, is, we might say, asleep under sort of hypnosis, conditioning by things they watch on the television and different outlets. And that would be someone living in a 3D. They could become very angry, they're in victim mode. There's a lot of social conditioning that conditioned into. So a 5D existence is somebody that, or consciousness that, is doing their shadow work, working on themselves. Maybe they're on a healing journey. Maybe they're really working on those lower chakras, working through past trauma, working through ancestral trauma, really taking ownership of anger, just basically taking ownership of their stuff. And not blaming anyone else, taking full responsibility for their emotions, actions and behaviour. And the 5D mindset is very much about unity, collective consciousness, helping others, and helping the earth, because the earth is a living, breathing, sentient being, and it has its own chakra system, its own chakra points, ley lines.